How to add animations in Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how we can add animations on Wix website. Okay, so the first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, navigate through to your Wix editor by clicking on the design site icon located by the top right corner of the screen. So once you click on the design site icon, you'll be directed to your Wix website editor. So just wait patiently for it to load. So once you're on this page, you would see your website and all of the elements in your website. So the next thing for you to do is to scroll down and select the relevant elements. That is the elements that you want to add an animation to. So for me, this is the element, so I'll just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you will see that a toolbar would be okay. Let's do that again. Yes, so once you've clicked on it, you will see that a toolbar has been displayed, showcasing settings, design, crop, filters, then animation. Okay, just click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, you select the animation from the available options. Select the animations you want. Is it to bounce in? You can see it, glide in, you can see how it's changing, expand in, float in, fade in, spin, fly, turn in. Just select the one you want. For me, I would go with the slide in and click on customize. And then you can customize it the way you want to display the distance, etc. So that is how you can add animation to your Wix website. And then to save, you just click on the save icon located at the top part of the screen over here. So thanks for watching. Ensure you try this out today and have a nice day.